What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Fabulous Tiffany. Today I have a very special item because it's been something that I've been wanting for a very long time. I wasn't going to settle for anything less than perfection, and I feel like I found it. So if you're curious as to what I'm referring to, then please keep on watching. Okay, so without further ado, I'm just going to show you what I got. Whew. And this is it. Look. Look. Okay, so I've always wanted a Balmain blazer, but I didn't want to get a black one. And so when I saw this, first of all, when I saw this, I gagged. It was so perfect. Tweed in electric blue. This blue is my favorite, absolute favorite blue. And it was on sale. And so I'm going to insert a little unboxing here, but essentially I bought it from Harrods. It was almost 40% off. I don't know if it's because of the conversion from pounds to Canadian dollars that it was a little bit off, but I feel as if it was 40% off if it was just from pounds to pounds. And so this scored it for 40% off. It took a while to get here, probably because of what's, going on, but I did get it within the 2-week time frame, which is what they, I guess, guaranteed would be the arrival time. And so I got it within 14 days, super excited. I was scared when I ordered the sizing because I've actually never tried on a Balmain blazer before. I've always said that I would go into a department store to try it on for size just in the event that I do come across a sale, which I did, but I've always just been too lazy to do it. And so I took a chance and I ordered a 38. I saw a couple of videos that said Tweed Balmain jackets run small, and so usually I'm a size 4 American, and so that would have equated to a 36, I believe. But since, again, they said to size up, I got a 38. And let me tell you, and thank goodness, it fits like a glove. So I'll insert me trying it on later, but just to, again, show you, it does come with a Balmain hanger, as you would have seen in my unboxing. This is tweed with silver buttons, and then the 5 on the sleeve, totally cinched in. You can see the nice, I don't know what it's called actually, but I do know there's a name for it, but the cinching in here, and then you see it flares out at the bottom. But look just absolutely how gorgeous this is. Okay, let me show it to you on now. Okay, so this is how it looks like on. I'm actually able to button it up, which I am super happy about. The shoulders fit perfectly, like perfectly. I have quite broad shoulders, and so the thing that I was most concerned about was my shoulders and my arms not fitting, because I have bigger arms. And so look just how smart and fitted it is. Like absolutely stunning. And it keeps its shape when you unbutton it. Absolutely the best. I'm so happy right now. It's like unbelievable. Okay, so this video was short and sweet. I mean, this is quite self-explanatory. I've always wanted a Balmain blazer. Again, I didn't want a black one, only because I have so many black ones that are double-breasted with the buttons, and they're fitted, they're tailored, and so I just wanted something out of the ordinary. I've always wanted a tweed jacket, but the Chanel tweeds are just very not my style. And so when I looked up tweed Balmain jackets, and the fact that I found an electric blue one, which is my absolute favorite color in the world, I was so happy. Plus 40% off. I was like, you know what? I think I just scored the jackpot. And so, yeah, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. Again, I am usually a size 4 in US sizing. And so this shirt inside, I believe this shirt that I bought, you can watch my unboxing, I'll link it below, but I believe it is a 36. So a size 4, I actually returned the 38 because it was too big. like the shoulders were too big and slouchy on me, and so I returned the bigger one in this size. But again, knowing that these blazers, especially the tweed ones, fit smaller, I went up a size to 38, so I think I would do that. I'd recommend you do that if you're thinking of getting a tweed blazer. Personally though, I think because I have quite broad shoulders, like I said before, here it's a little tight. Like, it's good, but if I went to a 36, I would definitely not be able to move my arms. So even if it wasn't a tweed and it was just the cotton or the wool one, I think I would still have to get a 38, only because I know how my shoulders and my arms are usually what is the problem, I guess, when it comes to blazers. And so if you are to get any other material other than the wool or the cotton, I would strongly suggest you sizing up as compared to what you're normally used to. And so hopefully you found this video helpful. I am super excited and I cannot wait till it's fall or winter to wear it, because again, it's tweed. It's actually quite like thick and I'm like starting to sweat a little bit. But again, if you have any questions, leave them down below. Please feel free to comment, ask questions, go at it. And until I see you next time, stay fabulous.